Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to craft fiber in Subnautica 2. This is especially useful for crafting things like the basic fins or fiber mesh, which is necessary for crafting more advanced materials, and also you can craft the first aid kit. So first of all, what you will need is to collect some fibrous pulp, which you can then craft into the fiber. The fibrous pulp can be gathered from many sources, many fibrous plants. For example, like the cradle shootroot, which has the lucifer rod sac and the center, and using the survival multi-tool you can go to the edge of the plant, and where it says cut cradle shootroot, you can go ahead and cut it, and you'll get about 3 fibrous pulps from one plant. The second option is to find some feather kelp, which is also found in the beginning biome, which I'm in right now. And you want to go inside of a cave, and you'll see these kind of red bushes, which look like feathers, hence the name feather kelp. So, once again, using the survival multi-tool, you can go ahead and cut it using the right click, and you'll get much more fibrous pulp compared to the other plant. Also, you can get it from many other plants around the map, but these are the most basic ones. Now, you want to go to your base, and using a fabricator, go to resources, and here you'll see the option fiber in the basic materials tab. So you can go ahead and craft it, and as you can see, you'll need 2 times fibrous pulp for 1 fiber. So this is pretty much all. How to get fiber in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.